beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mama. What's up? If today is your first time stopping by to my channel, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are wonderful, you guys are awesome. Without you guys, there will be no me in that street of YT. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved these homemade cookies. As you can see, very yummy and tasty. So guys, continue watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please kindly touch that red sign, smash that red sign and subscribe, like, share, turn on the notification bell. So here is the butter, 100 grams of butter. So after the 100 grams of butter, now I'm going to add my sugar. I will add 50 grams of sugar and mix. So after mixing, I will add 2 egg yolks. Yeah. So now I'm gonna mix. So now we are mixing. So after mixing, you will add a little vanilla extract. And mix again. So you mix. To add my 1 cup of flour and mix. After mixing, so now you are going to add 10 grams of milk, fresh milk, and mix together. now what I'm going to do, as you can see, look at how the cover is looking. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to rub some butter on the pan. Inside my pan, yeah, I'm going to rub butter around. I don't have spread cooking oil. It would have been better, but with this is okay. So after that, so I will use this thing. See the mouth? I'll put it inside the nylon and cut off the mouth. So like this, I'm going to add the mix. So I'm going to add the mixing dough inside the nylon. So like this, yeah, okay. So so right now I have finished with the dough. Now it's ready to go inside the oven. I'm going to bake it for with 100 degree depending on your oven. Then I will bake it 16 minutes long. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, after 16 minutes of baking inside the oven, you can see how yummy and delicious it's looking. I believe I have come to the end of this video. Please, if you have any questions, drop it at the comment section down below. Feel free to share my video if you want to share my video. Like, share. Thanks for watching. As of now, I am out. See you in my next video. Bye.
Yo.